Good, Daryl. I think you're doing some interesting things here. Um, you have your fonts chosen, your imagery chosen. You're laid out the freeform poster here in a way that expresses that layout approach. I think this one is a fairly solid. Could be a little bit more dynamic. You might try some of the other text it angles. But I think for the most part that this one works. Grid approach. The grid approach is basically about establishing strong underlying horizontal and vertical axes. Horizontals are basically the baselines here, which is fine, but the verticals come through alignment of text and images. And so it looks like these are almost aligned, but if we follow it down, it doesn't quite happen here. And then this looks like it's centered within the text box rather than being aligned to an axis, but we should be able to follow this down and align this all the way, and then maybe this grouping here to that same vertical axis. I like that you have the title big. You're starting to work up the visual hierarchy, but after the title, this fights with this, fights with this, fights with this, fights with this, fights with this for visual dominance because they all have very similar visual impact. My suggestion here would be eliminate all but one of the images. Make that image huge, put text over the top of it if needs be, and then decide with the remaining text what is important, and making sure that we as viewers see that and know what your intention is as the designer. I am going to grade these, but please make your revisions for the portfolio due in Unit 5, okay?